Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to make ads for your e-commerce store using Zeely. Creating ads for your e-commerce stores with Zeely is quick, visual, and beginner friendly. After signing up, logging into Zeely, you will start by entering a few details about your online store, like your store's name, what products you sell, your advertising goals, for example, your sales, product views, or traffic. So after that, Zeal's AI then use that info to automatically generate custom ads template for your store, including a visual test and a call to action button that fits your niche. Then after that, you can upload your own product photos, videos, or use Zeely's built-in media library and design suggestions to build the publish. Then scroll to stopping ads. Then once your visuals are added, Zeals automatically generate headlines, product description for the ads, which you can tweak as needed. Everything is designed to feel like plug and play, no designs or copyright experience required. Next, you select your ad placement Facebook. So you select your ad placement Facebook, Instagram, or Google, or let Zeely decide where your ads will be perform best. So you will choose your budget, daily or total. Then Zeely will optimize how it spend that budget across platform or minimum result.